Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're doing good and keeping yourself safe. When we think of buying a new motorcycle glove, what do we exactly look for? Good leather for protection, vibrant but suitable colors, low price tags. When I was looking for some good motorcycle gauntlet gloves just like Alpinestars, however I didn't want to break my bank, I started doing some research on internet and came across a brand called Oxford. It's a UK based company making various motorcycle gears. So today we are going to talk about the Oxford RP-2 full gauntlet glove. However, if you are visiting the channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of the informative videos that I upload. This is in no way an advertisement of the company or the brand that is Oxford, but it's my personal opinion and personal review. So we are going to talk about the Oxford RP-2 full gauntlet gloves. It's a track oriented gloves made for aggressive riding. So if we talk about the look and feel of these gloves have the combination of three colors: red, white and black. There are three more combinations or variants in this. One is full black, one is white and black, and another one is blue, white and black. So here we can see it's written Oxford RP-2 with the Oxford logo at the back, which is looking pretty nice. It's a full goat leather which feels soft and supple. Now if we go down a bit, it's a bit of a flexible perforation for ventilation and flexibility on the wrist portion, as you can see here. As you can see right here, there is a padding given to protect the small bone on the wrist. So if we go down a bit, we can see the carbon fiber knuckles, and we also can see the carbon fiber sliders above the fingers and at the side of the pinky as well. Unlike Alpinestars GP Pro or Supertech, the knuckles here do not have this split design, so you will feel uncomfortable in very long rides. I've experienced this in many rides where the knuckles start to feel uncomfortable after approx 350 kilometers. Now as we can see in the between the fingers and the knuckles, they have given some flexibility for pulling the clutch levers. There is some padding given on some fingers as well. Now if we flip over and see the palm side of it, we can see double velcros here, which do a very good job of keeping the gloves intact on hand. If we go a bit down now, we can see a special leather padding on a palm, as at the time of the crash the most impact goes on this area. So if we talk about stitching, we can see very nicely made stitching which has sustained even after 3.5 years or riding 30,000 kilometers on it. Now it has started coming off a bit at some places. I did not face any unusual issues with the stitching till date. So there are four main variants in RP series. There is RP-1, which is the top of the line, RP-2, which we are reviewing right now, RP-3 is a half gauntlet glove, and RP-4 is for daily riding, but I believe it's not available in India. So let's talk about the pricing. All these gloves, that is RP-1, 2, 3, 4, all these gloves are sub $100, or we can say below 7,500 rupees. If you don't want to break the bank but still want good gloves with good protection and good color combinations, then I would recommend go for these. The pricing of RP-1 is 7,400. Pricing of RP-2 is 5,000 rupees as far as I purchased them a few years back. Price of RP-3 is approximately 4,400, and RP-4 is really not available in India, so I'm not sure about the pricing of RP-4. In India, these gloves are available in the Delhi-based shop named High Note Performance. This is the shop where I bought these gloves from, and after using it for a longer time, I would say I'm pretty much happy with it. They feel very comfortable in hand, except on the long rides where the knuckles start to feel uncomfortable after approximately 300 or 350 kilometers. The leather, the carbon fiber and special padding give you a confidence on the track as well as the road, and one can select always the color combination which matches with their bike. Check the size chart on the website of High Note Performance before ordering them. I ordered large size and it is fitting me well. If you need any help or need any further information on the gloves, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try to help you as far as possible. If you like this video, hit hard to that like button and punch to the subscribe button for such informative content. Thanks for watching. Ride hard, ride safe.